and welcome to Grandad's Reviews. Today I thought I'd have a very non-scientific look at recovering the highlights and shadows from F-Log. So I've gone out and taken some test footage with the X-T3 straight in F-Log, 4K DCI. I've taken the first footage at correct exposure, then I've gone up 1 over, 2 over, 3 over and 4 over, and then gone down from correct exposure down. We'll bring them into the computer and see what we can recover. Not being very scientific about this, I'm just doing it for a bit of fun and see what we can actually get out of this F-Log. I have taken footage before and you can recover quite a bit from it. So we'll go into the computer and we'll have a look what we can get. Right, so looking at the footage on the computer, and it's quite surprising. 1 stop over your correctly exposed F-Log and yeah, no problem. 2 stops, you're still pretty safe. 3 stops, you could probably get a usable footage out of it. It's losing a bit. 4 stops, yeah, you've lost most of it, to be honest. You may be able to use some of it, but it would be a bit of a struggle. And on the underexposure, it's a similar kind of experience really. 1 stop under, it's not too bad. 2 stops, yeah, you're starting to see a bit of trouble. 3 stops, yeah, you're really starting to struggle. You might get something out of it, and 4 stops under, it's completely lost it. So I think the takeout from this is, if you can get the exposure correct, that's your best option. If you do go out a little bit, 1 to 2 stops and you're pretty much safe. Anything after that, you're into recovery mode. And as I say, it's not a scientific experiment, and I'm certainly no expert at doing this kind of thing. I just do it as a hobby. But I think it was a good exercise just to see how much you could recover on the F-Log, both over and underexposed. So if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. If you want to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button. If you want to be notified, hit that bell button. Till next time, see you later.